Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are fixing the issue with the pip installer. So as we know, pip is a package installer in Python. So we have installed Python. If I run the Python -v, we'll get the version that is 3.11. If I go to my program files, I have the Python folder, and that's where my binaries are stored. So now if I do a Python, it opens the Python command prompt, and I can run my Python commands here. If let me just run something simple. I'll just do a print. So the issue here is that we have set the environment variable for our Python executables, so when we are able to run Python straight from the command prompt. But when you try to do a pip install, you will get an error that pip is not recognized. So let me show you Python works, and if I try to do a pip, let me just type. Yeah, so if I type a pip and I press enter, it says pip is not recognized as an internal or external command. So we will try to fix this error, and I'll just show you what actually the issue is. If we go to our program files, go to your Python folder, and then go to scripts. Scripts is your subfolder where your the executable for pip is stored. So let me go to our environment variables, go to path, and we will add a new environment variable. So if you see, Python was already added. That's why we were able to run Python directly. Now to run pip, we need to add this particular location as well, where you have got your pip executables. You would see pip.exe, the pip3.exe. So we will need to add that. Like right now, if I do a pip3, I'll get the same error. Pip3 is not recognized. So I'll just copy this location. I'll go to my environment variables, add the location, save. Okay. Now this is once you have added your environment variable, you will need to restart your machine or the session for your terminal. So I did not need it. I wasn't. I did not restart my machine, but I just restarted the command prompt or my terminal. And now if I do a Python, we get the Python version, and then I do a pip, and you can see pip is working as expected. If I do a pip-v, you get the pip version, which is 22.3, and it is also giving us the location. Same we will do for pip3. Cool, so it all worked. Let's test it out. If we do a pip-h, it will tell you what all the commands that you can run with pip. You can do pip install, you can do pip uninstall, pip freeze. Let's do a quick installation of pip install pandas. So we are currently downloading the pandas module and installing it. So pip is actually just a Python based package installer, and once this pandas is installed, we will just run a simple import pandas. uh, it has successfully installed pandas. Now let's just quickly do, I'll type Python, and then I'll try to import this pandas module. Import pandas as pd, and that's it. No error. So we have successfully installed. Thanks for watching and keep supporting.